What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the multi-function switch on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to grab this panel. We're just going to pull this out, slide it forward. There's going to be clips holding it on. Just like that. So there's these two clips, and then this slides out. There's a clip right there. This one came off. It's still in there. You can pull that out. Just like that. Reinstall that there. And there's some screws in here. I'm going to use a 5.5 millimeter socket and an extension. There's two right here. There should be one right here, but it's missing in this vehicle. So I'll take this out with a ratchet. Slide this adjuster down so it's out of the way. Then just grab this panel. This is going to separate from the top panel. Slide it up, pull that panel up. And just slide that panel up. So now I'm going to remove these two screws here. I'm going to use a T20 extension and a ratchet. I can just grab this switch, slide it out, disconnect the connector right here, just push down on the lock button, slide that out. Right, we're gonna plug in the connector. Slide that in, slide it back in position. All right, that's good. Take the screws. I'm just gonna get them started. And get the lower one started. And use the T20 extension and a ratchet. And we'll tighten them down, not too tight. It is in plastic, so just snug. That's it. That's good. All right, I'm gonna slide the lower column on first. You're gonna go around that bracket for the handle. It's a little bit tricky to get that lined up. And then make sure you go around the ignition cylinder on the other side. And that looks good. Take the upper cover, slide this in position. It's going to line up and just lock in place. Then I'm going to take my 5.5 socket and then the screws. I'll get these two started, and if you have that third one, get that third one in. You might have to wiggle this around to get it lined up. And take the ratchet and snug them down. Not too tight, it is in plastic. We'll install this lower cover. Just slide these two tabs in the bottom first, just like that, and then line it up, lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.